Heavy rain of up to 50 millimeters per hour fell overnight, causing power outages across parts of the capital region. With the humid weather making it difficult to use air conditioners and other cooling devices, residents faced major inconvenience.
A neighborhood in pitch-black darkness. Street lights and traffic lights are all out. It was around 10:10 p.m. Tuesday when power went out in Kamodong and Kunjadong areas in Siheung City, Gyeonggi-do Province. Some 950 households were left without electricity for over 2 hours amid the humid weather.
일단은 가장 불편한 게 더위고 에어컨이 동작 안 하니까 저희 밑에 집 거주자분께서는 지금 현재 불 켤 것도 없어서 초 하나 켜고 있습니다.
The Korea Electric Power Corporation believes the blackout occurred when an external object, such as a tree branch, came in contact with the power facility during strong winds and rain. Around 11 p.m. Tuesday, in Pongcheon-dong in Seoul's Gwangju district, about 970 households lost power after a tree brought down by heavy rain hit a high-voltage power line. The damage was restored for most households overnight, but not for some 170 families. Around the same time, outages were also reported in Seoul's Shinjeong-dong and Gaepo-dong as heavy rain and strong winds caused power disruptions across the Seoul metropolitan area overnight. All heavy rain alerts issued in the capital region and Gangwon-do province have been lifted, but downpours will continue nationwide through Wednesday afternoon. Access to Seoul streams, once fully restricted, is gradually reopening. Also, most flood advisories, including one issued Tuesday night for Nabuk Bridge on Mokgamcheon Stream, have been lifted.